Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NAKD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the downtrend on this one continues, and I'm going to go ahead and first just get rid of that line there. It served its purpose for now because from a resistance side of things, it's all about, as it's been, moving forward of that resistance trend line right there. So I'm just going to continue to extend that out. And this just really does, the perfect example of showing that, yeah, there's selling pressure right now and that the selling pressure by far is in full control. And I realize that me just saying selling pressure, those are just words. But that's why I enjoy using technical analysis, because they allow you to take words and phrases and make them very visual. So when I say selling pressure, that's what I mean right there, that downtrending trend line, meaning that over the past few weeks, every single time the prices try to bounce, it can bounce. It just puts in lower and lower highs, which has created this downtrend. So as far as I'm concerned, there really shouldn't be much talk of bullishness until the price can prove itself, which brings about the valid question, okay, Clay, well, how does the price prove itself? And that would be not just getting up to that line, but being able to break above it and stay above it. So until that happens, in my opinion, there really shouldn't be much talk about bullishness at all. Now, even if the price gets above that level, that doesn't mean that it's guaranteed to explode back upwards. But at least at that point, yeah, it does begin to make a whole lot more rational sense to begin to talk about, all right, yeah, maybe the bulls are back. Maybe the momentum is showing back up. But until the price gets above that trend line, then I'd be very, skeptical in terms of wondering and thinking that the bulls and the momentum have any sort of genuine strength. As far as areas of support are concerned, nothing fancy or complicated here other than the fact of, just a question of, well, where did the bleeding finally stop? And the bleeding finally stopped today down there at 90 cents. So for that reason alone is going to be that main area of support to watch moving forward. But yeah, as right now, the sellers and selling pressure is still in full control. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.